So, pal, what you got there?
A big truck.
A big truck?
He's called a truck.
He's called a truck? What's his name? Did you name him?
Yeah, big truck.
You named the big truck? Is it Kevin the big truck?
Kevin the big truck.
Oh.
I don't like truck. He can travel by himself.
I can. You taking him for a walk?